Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the final team of this session, and they are the Structure Pal, who put sustainability as their business focus. However, regrettably, due to some unstable conditions in the region, they're not able to join us today. However, they have prepared a pitching video, so everyone please do divert your attention to the screen. All right, here we go.
Hello everybody, my name is Jonathan Lazowski and I'm the CEO and founder of StructurePal. I'll begin my presentation by stating a fact, which is that the construction industry is using too much material. Or to be honest, more than it should. And that is because we tend to over-design all of our buildings. StructurePal is here to combat that problem, starting with concrete. Now, why concrete? Why the construction industry? Well, the construction industry is responsible for almost 40% of global CO2 emissions. 10% of those are just the concrete and cement industries. So something has to be done here in order to help the world to be with less emissions. If we'll be more precise with the numbers, 80% of the weight of the building will be concrete. So the majority of the building is concrete. 50% of the embodied carbon goes to concrete. And if that's not enough, a third of the cost of the building goes to the structure, the concrete structure. Now we know by the numbers that roughly on a global level, we tend to over-design by 30% with this material. So this is kind of horrible and we need to do something about it. Now why we have this problem? It's because our structure engineers, those responsible of designing the structure, the concrete structure, has their own problems. First of all, there are too many buildings to design and more by the day, while having less professionals, less structural engineers by the day, finishing academy and staying on the job. And last but not least, very little time to design. So if you take all of those, you understand that those engineers will be able to design the structure to comply with the code and physically be okay, but will be extremely over-designed because they don't have the ability to take the time and optimize them. What can we offer? We have a solution, software solution that is very simple. It integrates with the software that is being used by the structure engineers. It cuts down 50% of the design time with no learning curve. And at the end, we'll provide 15% reduction in volume and cost for the project, leading to an equilibrium of roughly 30% of CO2 emissions reduction in the project. How it works? Very simple. We offer those 15% reduction and we ask from the developer, our client, $2 per square meter. Very easy to calculate the return on investment, and from that reason, our clients love us and we can move on. So, how it works? First of all, how we take 4 weeks, which is the average time to design the structure, to 1 day? Well, very simple. We say, structure engineers, don't design, don't draft, specify the challenge, let the AI, the core of our software, understand what are you looking for, and then let the artificial engineer, as we call it, run different iterations by itself in the background, and at the end, after between 70 and 300 iterations that will take roughly an hour, the AI will automatically output the most optimal design in terms of a B model, which is a three-dimensional model, analytical models under infinite element strategies, quantity reports, and calculations reports. So you'll have everything you need to understand that this design complies with everything you need. Now, if we're looking about a little bit the market, and not only about how much money we can do, but actually how much emissions we can cut down, well, if we will reach all the market from our side, we can reach a $9 billion income just from using our software. But at the same time, 144 billion kilos of CO2 emissions will be reduced from the world on a yearly basis, and that number is roughly 0.6% of all global CO2 emissions. That is something to look for. Now, we started working, we are having our first clients, specifically top tier clients, and we'll move on to medium and small clients. But the idea is that the moment that will happen, we'll be using more CAD software resellers such as Autodesk and Trimble. We've been achieving great, and we are all around the world, we can say. If it's Toronto, if it's Europe and Israel, where we have clients and investors, and now doing our first steps into the Hong Kong market as well. We won prizes from the climate side and from the construction side, and been in great accelerators that help us reach our maturity level that we have today. But the most important thing, and I will close with that, is the team. We are structural engineers who did that shift into tech. We understand fully the problem, how other structural engineers are fighting and what we can do for them. But we have the tools. We know how to develop software. We know how to implement AI, and we're doing that. We have great supporters from all around. We have construction companies and VCs supporting our effort by funding us and helping us reach more clients. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, I cannot be there to answer questions, but we are available for everyone who wants to ask via mail. Thank you very much. We are StructurePal.
Thank you very much, everyone. We have reached the conclusion of the first session of the top 30 startup pitches this morning. And before we take a break, can I please invite all of our judges to join me on stage for a group photo? So everyone, please board the stage and join me right now. Thank you so much for all the hard work, all the deliberation. Really appreciate it. So let's start with a group photo, our first group photo with all judges. That will be our first photo. Well, in the meantime, everybody in Group C, please do prepare at the bottom, at the front of the stage. So just the first photo are all the judges. Thank you. Everyone, please mind your step. Thank you, judges. All right, everyone. Please take your first photo. And all the teams just prepare in front of the stage for the second group photo. The first one, all the judges. 好啦，咁我哋第一張相咧就係有所有嘅評審啦，係啦，所以大家可以準備一下。第一個合照就是我們所有的評審，麻煩大家可以準備一下。可以跟隨我們攝影師的指示，謝謝。謝謝各位評審。好。It's going to be quite a large group photo, so. 第一个照片是我们所有的评审而已，所以如果其他的参赛者 ，so please get ready for the second picture. So the first photo only with the judges. All right, let's take a couple more. Wonderful. Okay. And that's good. So one more photographer at the back. Everyone, please hold your smiles. Great job. And also, can I please invite everybody from Team C to join us? Everyone from Team C, please board the stage and join us for this group photo. Thank you. Follow the instructions of the photographers. Wonderful. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, let's just do a few more just in case. All right, looks like we got some videos going. Everyone, please just hold on for a few more seconds. All right. There we go. Thank you so much, everyone. It is time for a break. Please don't go too far. The next round of pitches will start at 11:20 a.m. And while you're taking a breather, you might want to quench your thirst. Over on the side of the stage, There's a water machine. Yes, that is by WaterGen. WaterGen is known for their patent genius system that extracts the purest of drinking water straight from the air that you breathe. Everyone, feel free and help yourself. We'll see you at 11:20.